Hello lovely people. So the new year is vastly approaching, or by the time I post this it'll already be here. So I've been thinking of ways to implement a more healthy lifestyle. One of the things that I'm going to try to do more is to meal prep, aka cook at home. Not only is it healthier, it saves you money, and a lot of times my family wants breakfast things that aren't so healthy, like pancakes, waffles, biscuits. So I seen these egg muffins online and I figured I wanted to make my own version. So these just seem like a quick option. You can just grab them and eat them and go, and they seem to be filling and full of protein versus eating junk that is probably gonna make me hungrier. So my son wanted to help me out today. He doesn't like eggs, so this should be interesting.
Hello! Me and Mom are cooking egg muffins today, guys.
For this recipe, you'll need about 8 to 10 eggs. All right, now look at it, pull it apart. Uh-oh, now you got the shell in there. Just tap it. See how there's like a crack now? You take your finger, you press real soft and crack it more until it's open like that. And you flip it and pull it open soft. See? Alright.
Okay, we need another egg.
Flip it over. Now we're gonna add the cottage cheese.
Let me try. Let me get it.
Okay, slip out in there.
Oh, this? Now mix it.
Now that the eggs and cottage cheese are mixed, I'm just gonna add my seasoning. I'm just using sea salt, black pepper, and garlic. Oh, that's enough. Give that a mix, and now we're ready to customize our egg muffins. I'm gonna add a red potato. You can add as many as you like. I'm gonna chop them up kind of small. So I just seasoned these with salt and pepper, and I'm frying them in avocado oil just until they get soft and brown.
Egg muffins. I want to get a snack. Oh, now I know.
Stand still. I want to hurt yourself.
I can't do.
Not with this part.
Because it's too dangerous. That's a very sharp knife. But remember
I'm gonna use some turkey bacon that I have left over from yesterday. I get mine really crispy in the oven. I'm just gonna chop it up into little pieces. Now I'm just spraying my muffin pan. Canola oil is probably not the best, but that's what I used. And I'm just filling it up with the egg and cottage cheese mixture. I'm doing it about less than halfway. That way you have room for your other toppings. And I thought I was filming an overhead shot and I forgot to press play. Now we're adding the cheese. You could add whatever cheese you like. I didn't want that much cheese in mine, but as you see, he is persistent and adding a lot of cheese. Like I said, I know he doesn't like eggs, so I know he won't even be eating these, so. Okay, now we have the overhead shot. So that was me adding the last bit of cheese. Now I'm adding the turkey bacon. I'm gonna add the green onions and the potatoes. I wish I would have added a lot more potato. That would have been really good. Now that everything's added, I'm just gonna give it a quick little mix just to kind of evenly distribute everything. And I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350. You can leave them in for about 20 minutes. You can check them just to make sure. It just depends on how, crispy you want them, but you don't want them to get too dry. And look at these beauties. They look really delicious. They have like a crispy exterior and they're moist on the inside, but they're not like gooey or wet, because I hate that with eggs. Okay guys, so we're done making our egg muffins and we're going to taste them.
Yeah.
Here's your piece.
You have to like and subscribe.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. But you don't like eggs, so I suspected that. To me, it's really good and yummy. It's like a breakfast casserole. I like it. All right, so on another note, I also have been making more of an effort just to be more active, whether that's just going on a little walk. You can also choose a scenic route like this. A good pair of headphones in the right playlist can really set the tone. These are the Tozo HT3 headphones. They're Bluetooth, high resolution. They also have an active noise canceling feature. So all this wind didn't ruin my tunes. I like how portable they are. You're able to fold them up and maneuver them so you can put them in your purse. They're very lightweight and flexible. They're very soft and just comfortable to wear. There's a very soft leathery cushion on the headband part and around the earmuffs, so it's very comfortable. They didn't slip off. I was able to work out without having to constantly adjust them. As you see here, I'm bending my head down and they're not coming off. Okay, here is the power button. You can also use this to answer or hang up a call, reject a call, and you can also use this to activate the voice assistant. Yes, it has a voice assistant. Obviously, these are the volume control. You can also use these buttons to shuffle between your songs. These also come with a USB cord for charging and an analog audio cable. And this is the noise cancellation button. There's a few different settings on here and you can control that in the app. Yes, there is a Tozo app. So here you can choose your settings for noise cancellation. They have different modes. They have windproof mode, leisure mode. You can really adapt the sound to your surroundings. I like that because sometimes I don't want too much noise cancellation. I still want to be aware of my surroundings. Oh, and you can also keep up with your battery life. Nothing's worse than going to the gym and realizing your headphones are dead. I also love that you can customize the equalization. I really like the bass preset that they have. They also have several AI features like meter recording, speech to translate, and AI chat that they're constantly updating. They also have like these instrumental ambiance sounds, because sometimes you don't always want to listen to music. So these are really relaxing to listen to when I'm working, because I like to use these when I'm working on my laptop. Things can get kind of noisy, so it's nice to put on something soothing to get your work done and kind of block out the noise with the noise cancellation. You can also take calls on these headphones. They seem to work best when I'm like more in like a controlled environment, like home, or I'll try to wear these like in the grocery store and talk on them, and they couldn't really hear me. When I'm at home, I don't really have a problem. If you were looking for some new headphones with a lot of cool features for a reasonable price, definitely click the link in my description box to purchase your Tozo headphones. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Even though it may be like a week into New Year's by the time you see this, I still want to wish you a happy New Year. Hope you enjoyed bringing in the new year, and thanks for watching. Bye.